Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to start another series of important MCQs. Today we will discuss about the most important MCQs for PPSC lectureship of education. So the first MCQs of this series is, who said education is reconstruction of experiences? John Dewey. Next MCQs is, which branch of philosophy deals with values? Axiology is the branch of philosophy which deals with values. Which branch of philosophy deals with reality? Ontology is the branch of philosophy which deals with reality. The word education is derived from which language? Education is a word which is derived from Latin language. Tell the name of branch of philosophy that deals with knowledge. The correct answer is epistemology. Who is the founder of behaviorism? J.B. Watson is the founder of behaviorism. Cognitive development deals with which factor? Cognitive development deals with mind. Who presented the theory of operant conditioning? Skinner presented this particular theory. Who presented the pragmatic theory of philosophy? John Dewey presented this theory. Who presented the classification of farz ain and farz kafaya? Imam Ghazali presented the classification of farz ain and farz kafaya. When did the first educational conference held? 27th November 1947. When did Hazrat Shah Waliullah born? Hazrat Shah Waliullah born in 1703. Which of the Muslim scholars presented the classification of Ulum-e Naqliya and Ulum-e Aqliya? Ibn Khaldun is the scholar who presented the classification of Ulum-e Naqliya and Ulum-e Aqliya. Who established Muhammadan Oriental School and promoted to college? Sir Syed Ahmad Khan established Muhammadan Oriental School and promoted it to college. Who presented the theory of self-realization in Islam? Allama Muhammad Iqbal presented the theory of self-realization in Islam. How did Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam practice in administration? The correct answer is humanitarian. Who wrote the famous book Kimya-e Saadat? Imam Ghazali wrote this book. Who said, for better understanding, it is necessary to educate the child in mother language? Ibn Khaldun. What is the purpose of evaluation? The main purpose of evaluation is to make judgment. What is a formal and systematic procedure for getting information? The procedure is test. Which is the vast of all in scope? Evaluation is the vast of all in scope. What is the right sequence? The right sequence is test, measurement, assessment, and evaluation. What is called the process of obtaining numerical values? Measurement is known as the process of obtaining numerical values. What is the least in scope? Test is the least in scope. For more videos and updates, visit our channel, subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you so much.